Hi, Mike here with Dirtydog 4x4. We're here to show you the easy storage bag for soft top users on the Bronco, the new Ford Bronco. So we've made a nice bag that holds all the 3 soft top windows and mounts really cleanly on the back behind the rear seat. Really simple to use. It's a nice padded bag. It's separate compartments. You can put each window in. And the best way to start is make sure your windows are clean, because if you have any dirt on them, that's a chance of scratching. You want to keep them brand new. You're going to keep them nice and clean before you put them in here. It's a nice scratch resistant material inside, so it'll go in quite nicely. So we'll start with put the back window in first. You got to unclip your sides. You should know how to take your windows off by now. And we're going to pull them off. We'll put the back one in, and then we're going to put the other 2 sides in. So unclip that side where it clips. This way, you're going to turn it up, face up. You're going to flip your sides up on both sides. It's going to go in your bottom section of your bag. There you get your bottom section. Now we've got the sides. Put your sides in. Grab our next one. There it is. So you can do one of 2 things. That's put away. If you don't want to take them with you, got a nice little carrying strap. Take it, put whatever you want. If you want to put it back in the vehicle, we got a really nifty spot. Put this back in the vehicle if you want to put it back in. So what you're going to do is move this little table out of the way here. So this mounts right on the back seats, and you can leave the mount the bag with it's empty too, so it's a good place to store the bag when you need it. It mounts cleanly out of the way. And I'm going to put this in place here. Let's move the camera in for a little closer look what I'm doing here. So we're going to put it in with the straps up. So we're going to stick it in. Get it rest up nice at the seat. Take the one strap you got around and adjust it out. Around your headrest. Put it in the clip. Tighten it up. Same thing with this one. Around your headrest, put in the clip. So now see it's mounted on behind the seats. It'll stay there, it won't move on you. The nice thing about have the padded bag is if you throw something in there, your dog's in there, you don't have to worry about them scratching them or gouging at it. It's got good protection. And when you take the windows up, put them back on, that bag mounts back in the exact same position, stays in the same position. You don't have to worry about it. You'll never know it's there. So it's a great little product. Really good for looking after your windows, because I tell you, they're a lot of money to replace. And me being a Jeep owner my whole life, I know there's big money to it, and this is a great way to keep your windows lasting. All right? Have a great day.